Where's that hecking on button? Ooh, I found it! Let's play!
Hello, it's Luke again here for another video, and we got another blind bag, Thomas and his friends minis. Woo woo! So, let's see what we got inside this one, and one thing for sure, it's a lot of air. We don't like air in a blind bag. No, 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 no. Too much. There, it's open. Way! We've got a little thingy, majiggle. It's a checklist. It says which ones we have, like the classics, and we've got the other ones. I don't quite understand what they are, but and we've got this one, which is Hyro. I don't even know who Hyro is. I've never seen him on Thomas before. Thanks, Luke. But I haven't seen him on Thomas before. He hasn't either, so I don't know. Maybe you guys can enlighten me. Put who Hyro is in the comments below. And tell me who Hyro is. Who's Hyro? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you want to. Of course, and bye 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 bye.